Hello all, in this video, we test ApplyUnitConversion Method. Please like and subscribe this channel if you like the content. First, we make modify accessor of ApplyUnitConversion Method from private to public. This will allow us to access this method from test class. Now, we move to main viewModel test class. Here we copy the region name. In this class, we create a region. And name it Test Method ApplyUnitConversion. After creating the new region, we need to create test methods. For this, we use previously created region in our test class. Now, we copy test method signature from previous region and paste it into the new region as shown. Now we change the name of our test method with new name as shown. After this, we define 3 sections in our test method. They are arrange, act, and assert. In arrange section, we create a new object. Name of this object is mock point. This new object is of mock type. After this, we define the setup method of mock point object. In this setup method, we define xPoint and return the value 2 whenever xPoint is called. Now we create 2 copies of the setup line and define y and z points. For y point, we return value 3, and for z point, we return value 4. After this, we create a double type variable. Name of this variable is length conversion factor, and define the value of this length conversion factor to 2.5. This completes our arrange section. In act section, we create a new variable. Name of this variable is result. Value of this result variable is set by ApplyUnitConversion method from underscore viewModel variable as shown. Now in assert section, we use assert equal method to check value of result variable. We check value of result variable is equal to values we are expecting. These expected values are 5.0, 7.5, and 10.0. This completes our first test method. Now, we copy first method and make a duplicate of it. Then, we update the new method's name as shown. In this new method, we set the value of length conversion factor to 0. After this, in assert section, we update expected values and set 0.0 to all. Now, we copy this new method and make a duplicate of it. Then we update the new method's name as shown. In this new method, we set the value of length conversion factor to -1.5. After this, in assert section, we update expected values to -3.0, -4.5, and -6.0. We again make a duplicate of this new method and rename it. In this new method, we set values of x, y, and z variable to 0. Also, we set the value of length conversion factor to 2.5. After this, in assert section, we update expected values to 0.0 for all, as shown. We again make a duplicate of this new method and rename it. In this new method, we set value of x to -1, y to 0, and z to 5. We also set the value of length conversion factor to 3. After this, in assert section, we update expected values to -3.0, 0, and 15.0. Now, we build our solution to check everything we done is correct and there are no errors in code. Then we open Test Explorer window as shown. Here we expand all nodes to see our newly added tests. Before running, we clear results from previously done tests. Now, select Run All Test button as shown. This will run all tests in our Test Explorer window. As you can see, all test cases are passed with green check marks. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in new video.